In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or add a guest to Google Calendar appointments. This is a handy skill to have for efficiently managing your events and ensuring the right people are invited. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process. First things first, you need to open up Google Calendar. The simplest way to do this is to go to your web browser and search Google Calendar. Once you found it, click on the link to open your calendar page. You can also access this directly by typing calendar.google.com into your browser's URL bar. Once you're there, take a moment to get oriented with the layout if you're not already familiar with it. Now look for the specific appointment or event on your calendar to which you want to add or remove guests. Click on that event to open the event details. This will generally show you the name of the event, the date and time, and a list of current invitees. If you have a busy calendar, you might want to use the search bar at the top to find your event more quickly. Just type the event name or any keywords associated with it. Once you have the event open, you're going to need to edit it to make any changes. Look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a small pencil. Click this icon to enter the editing mode of your event. You'll be taken to a more detailed screen where you can adjust all sorts of event details, not just the guest list. Now that you're in the edit mode, hover over the area that says guests or guest list. This is where you will see the list of current invitees. If you want to add someone new, you can do so by typing their email address into the provided field, usually located under the guest section. Make sure you type correctly to avoid invitation issues. If the person is already a contact, their name might even pop up automatically as you type. If you need to remove a guest, find their email in the list and click on the X next to their name. This will delete them from the list, but remember that doing so will also send them a notification that they have been uninvited. So ensure you communicate with them prior if necessary. Once you've added or removed the guests as needed, make sure to click Save at the top of the page. You might be prompted to send notification emails, so decide whether you'd like to inform the changes via email to the guests. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've effectively managed your guest list for your event on Google Calendar. By following these instructions, you can quickly update your Google Calendar events as often as needed, making event planning